Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off app notifications on AliExpress. So let's get started right away. Now if you wish to turn off notifications for the AliExpress application, first of all long press on the app and then tap on the info button at the top in order to end up within the app info page. Now within this page, you will see the notification option within privacy. Go ahead and click on this, and if the allow notifications option is turned on, then you will see various different options that you can customize underneath notifications. You can simply turn the alerts to silent, but it will still show you notifications. If you wish to turn all of them off, simply turn off the allow notification option, and now this will turn off all of the notifications that will be sent to you through AliExpress. You can come back to this menu and change your setting at any time. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off app notifications on AliExpress. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.